Hello everyone, I Dr. Namita Mishra, Faculty of Management Sciences from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies going to deliver a lecture on operating costing. Operating costing is refined form of process costing. It is very similar to single or output costing. The operating costing gives more emphasis on providing services rather than the cost of manufacturing an article. The services both the way to the general public or they may be within the organization. The operating costing is also called as service costing, period costing or terminal costing. Service costing means rendering services to the customer or to the company for which the cost is accumulated and calculated. Period costing means the cost, data collected and calculated for a specific period. Terminal costing means a bus or a truck or a transport undertaking chartered for a specific trip. Now I am going to deliver you meaning of the operating costing. Operating costing is a process and technique of accumulating and ascertaining of cost for providing a standardized service to the general public or to an undertaking. Definition of operating costing. Operation costing is that form of operating costing which applies where standardized services are provided either by an undertaking or by a service cost center within an undertaking. Operating costing is actually unit costing as applied to the costing of services. Features of operating costing. The basic features of operating costing are presented below. Uniform service is provided to all the customer. In operating costing, costs are classified into fixed and variable. The fixed and variable cost classification is necessary to ascertain the cost of services and the unit cost of service provided to customer. In this, there is no physical stock of article if an undertaking renders a services. If a cost center is operating for an undertaking, there is no scale of service but the render the service. In other words, if a cost center is operating for public, it sells its services to the public. The cost unit may be simple in certain cases or composite or compound in other cases like transport undertaking. Total costs are averaged on the total amount of service rendered. The costs are collected from the authentic document like daily log sheets, operating cost sheet, boiler house cost sheet, canteen cost sheet, etc. Operating cost is the cost of rendering services to the customer and organization. Operating costing is a method of ascertaining cost. Application of operating costing. Now, we will know where operating costing is applied. Operating costing is applied by an undertaking which provides services to the public as a whole instead of manufacturing an article and sells the same. For example, transport undertaking, electricity, theatre, hospital, schools, etc. The service cost in operating cost should be find out to understand whether an undertaking or cost center renders services to others or sell the services to the general public. If the services are sold, the operating expenses and the extent of services rendered are taken into consideration to find out the service cost. On the other hand, if the services are sold, the service expenses should be apportioned to the production department in a suitable basis. So, I hope you understand the topic operating costing. Thank you very much.